All right, guys, welcome to Car Chronicles. So this is part two of the unwanted tenant in North DC. I believe her last name is Romero. And this is December the 11th. So I think they're supposed to be going to court today, or either tomorrow, but I believe today. But anyway, child. When they uncovered, she got like 12 cases pending against her. And this one attorney said she knows this is not her first rodeo. She knows exactly what she's doing. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, y'all, how we coming to somebody's house and do them like that and don't think you're gonna be exposed? Now she all over the internet. She ain't gonna get nowhere. It's gonna be hard for her to find some place to live, especially in that area. You know, and stuff like that, and she'll get evicted, and then she'll go apply to somebody else and get in before it goes through and stuff like that. She's owed people so much money, which they probably will not get. But she allegedly, you got to say allegedly on these things. So I'm allegedly, okay, and everything like that, because I'm new to this whole thing and stuff like that. But y'all, and them news people gonna find out the answers. They gonna get the answers and stuff like that. Court documents ain't lying. You know what I'm saying? They might mess up here and there. Everybody, mess up a little bit here and there. But court documents are not lying. Like they said, 12 like things against her doing this same thing over and over and over again. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on. You come to somebody's house and you do that, they got to change the laws because, like they said, like they were saying up there in DC, they favor more of the tenant. Like the tenant has more rights than you do. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's an ongoing story. I think they got like about 4 or 5 clips of them talking about it, about 4 or 5 parts already of the story. I just looked at another one and things like that. She stopped talking to the people, the news people anymore. She said no longer will speak to them. You've already said a mouthful. You've already said enough. I mean, you come to that person's house allegedly with intent allegedly to pay 1 month allegedly, and then you know the system allegedly, and you stay there and don't pay any rent allegedly, and these people are out of lots and lots of money. I mean, she's hit several different places that she, like I said, they said she has about 12 against her. That's like, how do you get them? And they're sealing their records, so they can get away with that. But something has to be done. There has to be a balance. I'm understanding to not knocking somebody out of their lease when their lease is not up and they've been a good tenant. They've been paying you. I get that protection of there, but just to be able to walk into somebody's house and do what you want to do, no, that's not right. That's not right, y'all. Well, this is Car Chronicles. Y'all check it out because it's a very interesting story.